Iboro luitwa samao moi kesi ya daut wa dolun. Hido moi tupuruchu nese dilo kinaere ngitelo Aseo wa korokor to mabosho nu yasi ataritunga. Apollo Kinto nukasi uko Serere. Sylvia Cheptegei nesabala ebe. Akapakina kesi jokana ituluta seona.
We have received the black boxes, 138 black boxes. That is the number of polling stations that we also have in the county of Serere. And we have received all the transparent materials, the transparent ballot boxes. We have received the basins, so we are ready. Our campaigns, everything has gone fairly, very well.
Eta chauntebe ijesu na enambalo asia kitiria nikede Aseo na itolo shokari lukumni kada kaisara indio konye kara idikotenin abala nesebe ebuna sewa geunu moyo sawe diope lwa tipuruch ongeta kinos osawana itomon lwa jotet. Before
display, we had 75,173 voters. But today I've received a new parking list. That means that the register we are having is now having a total of 74,394, meaning it has reduced because they have removed all the date from the register. That means from the election we had in 2021 to this particular one in 2023, you've seen that within Serere County, 779 voters have died.
Iche kotomagwe Kinto kabwa kalweja sitoma olaganolo kisajasi asesen alemuno na kaiboro kalwe morosa kalayana ballot boxes neda poni napakinere kesto moya pesinulwe itrakron Aseo ko Serere.
Ekapana shonoi kwa pelo ANT kapakena kede koze candidate ido iloto yopoda gina itunga kerelo Serere lobukalo Serere yala masino balas bejo kono bere akukulewa lasu obongo anu aingara kenesho so ikapa national do yenso bilo site le kara seyona
kono ngashala bikini kesikera ko kedengo arane kapelo le jijimino awanyungo itunga kerelo Serere awanyungo ichalo kerelo Serere awanyunga katunga yala masino apariting in nase kotonga woroni sera kere opotutu in lajina ambas akwetata cholong esa lepitinge sukere
aisupio na setane siabubia no sangak na yare tekede president Yoweri Museveni Akapakin na bwanlo kayenarem Philipo uchura voti abwaki kanyi kisejasi toma olaganolo yene tubimoi nesebuna brokin Bishop Patrick Okabe lo abotwa na kutoma kangas na emotoka nepe kabe ruke Christine Okabe. Godfrey Ojore, TV East, Serere.